Quick video for all you guys out there that still have old Spitfires, or maybe you got an old Spitfire laid around that you'd like to get running again. I've got one, two, I got a third one back there. I used to have a fourth one, I parted it out. Bought all these used. Paid $500 for all this junk. And you're like, oh my God, you're crazy. Well, not really. I got 4 machines that are identical, so I'm gonna make 2. What I have found is the pump that you can use. This pump fits on there, as you can see, the original rails fit. This is a Comet LWS 3525. I got this sucker for $300 from, like, I think a company called PM Mall. $300, man. Shipped in the house. Crazy. The original pulley, it does have a different size shaft, 24mm shaft, so you're going to have to buy a different bushing to go inside of the pulley, but that's a piece of cake. Motion Industries or whoever, you can get those. Oh, here we go. Right here's the box. So, there's Martin MST bushing, H24M millimeters. Here's your part number. So that's the bushing that I put inside the original pulley for the Spitfire. The other thing that I found out was, of course, they let this one freeze, so it's got all kinds of issues, but I think the stainless steel heat exchanger is going to be okay. If not, I have another one. But the heat exchanger that goes right behind the engine, when I first looked at this thing, I thought, man, that's nothing but a transmission cooler. Well, guess what? It's nothing but a transmission cooler. That's all it is. A big transmission cooler for like a semi. Turns out it's a Hayden product. And I don't mean that sort of works. That is actually the part that Hydramaster used. And right here it is. Hayden Automotive, model 1240. Shipped to my house for less than $100. Yeah, shipped to my house for less than $100. Exact replacement, exactly what Hydramaster used. And it slips right in there. So we're going to get that hooked back up. All right, that was a quick video. Just wanted to put those 2 things out there for you guys who may still have some Spitfires that you're still fighting and trying to keep running. Have fun. I'm enjoying this.